Hi there, this is Vivs here. In this video, I will show you how to write your first application in Java that prints Hello World on the screen. In the first step, we take this text that we want to display and wrap it in double quotes. Now this is called a string in Java. It simply means a bunch of characters that are grouped together and put inside a pair of double quotes. The next step, we use this method called println. Now, if you don't know what a method is, don't worry. It is simply a bunch of instructions that is grouped together, which is capable of displaying your text on the screen. Now, this println method is returned fully like this by saying System.out.println. Again, if you are not sure what these things mean, don't worry about it. In the next step, you will put this statement inside your method called public static void main. Now main is a method which simply means it is a place where you can write all your instructions inside these parentheses over here, and the compiler will run each instruction and it will try to do what the instruction says. In this case, we have only one instruction within these parentheses, and that simply means take this text hello world and show it on the screen. And the work of taking the text and showing it is done by this println method here. Now this whole thing goes inside something called a class, and we will talk again about what classes are. But all you need to remember for now is that each file, that is your .java file, can have several classes. And if a class has this word public in front of it, then you need to ensure that the name of the class hello is the same as the name of your Java file, which should be called hello.java. So all you need to remember at the end of this video is that we have an instruction called System.out.println. It has this opening bracket and closing bracket. Inside this bracket, whatever you write will be printed on the screen. If you write hello world, that will be shown on the screen. If you write your name, that will be displayed as well. Now, about all the fancy words that you guys don't understand in this video, we will be covering them as we go further. So now that we have reached the end of the video, here is our Googleable section. Be sure to type these things on Google and read more about them from Stack Overflow and other relevant websites. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a nice day.